We started from French bakery again, and it was so delicious. This is our absolute favorite top place to enjoy breakfast, and we've been there the third time, and I really love it. So we had eggs Benedict, and we also got some raspberry tart, une tarte aux framboises. We also got some coffee with a hazelnut, and one was with hazelnut syrup and the other one with vanilla latte. Was vanilla latte. It's very delicious. So then we took ourselves to Kowloon Island, where we visited some monasteries, and even though it was Monday, there were a lot of people working there and just lighting their aroma sticks and praying for the good, for the luck, for the health, for the love, for everything. It felt like it is not Monday. It was pretty crowded.
Испытание. Что такое? Воздухом. Вот так же пахнет, когда вы жжете траву в саду. Так же невозможно никуда деться.
Пикачу какие-то. Да. С одной станции. Очень да, ну какой-то недоразвитый какой-то.
Нету ее. Ой, я таю, я таю.
Ты на Гавайях, что ли?
Да.
Да? Когда ты смотришь резко?
Не надо смотреть резко. Класс.
eventually we made it to another park, another famous place. Maybe I gonna just insert some pictures from it, and it was so picturesque and beautiful, like looking at the painting and can't believe it, it's true. It was so beautiful, almost like artificial. Green trees, very beautiful monastery buildings, and some singing on the back, and water flowing, and lilies and lotus in the water. It was so beautiful and so relaxing, so meditative, and yeah, pretty good.
Ух ты! У нас в парке так поставили.
Тыва. Питер-Сан стоит. А? Питер.
Потом легко будет выбрать, зато когда их много.
That's okay. You are a part of it. Later, we wanted to have something to eat, and it was such a long day, and let's see. Oh yeah, we took all of our people, all of our family members to the bar, to a Philippine bar, and some of them took some Filipino beers, and we took some lemon teas. Right. I'm just so relaxed these days that I don't remember what did we do. And then we went to the shop later and grabbed a lot of food for our Yoja cat, and I hope she's gonna love it. Fingers crossed. Last time we got some food from Korea and Yoja hated it. So we promised her to get something pretty delicious. I look like after a whole day of traveling and taking pictures and just natural. Well, I remember this morning we also started from swimming under the rain at our rooftop swimming pool. It was wet, a bit chilly, and when you enter the swimming pool, usually it's pretty warm or maybe even hot if it's sunny, but today it was pretty dark, cloudy, and the water was kind of refreshing. You need to be pretty confident and sure you want to get in the water, because it's so cold and you need 1, 2, 3, go. And then when you leave the water, you want to grab a towel and wrap it around yourself because you're freezing. And it's raining, so yeah, but it's still pretty cool. If you have if you are very lucky and have an opportunity to swim in the morning at your hotel, do this every single day, even if you feel sleepy, even if your swimming suit always wet. Because here it's pretty difficult to dry some clothes or anything. And even if you're hungry, even if you're angry or whatever you are, just take the opportunity to do the best you can from every day. And this is how you gonna remember your travel forever. Memories are the best presents you can take from your adventure. Not things, but taste, flavors, atmosphere, memories, experience, all these things. So, and I think doing the best from traveling is always like getting out of your comfort zone. You won't be very comfy all the time if you're having the best traveling experience. You're here not for comfort, you're here for experiencing and just getting some new pieces of yourself from the world. So yeah. This is the last week, as I call it, of our staying here, and it was crazy, beautiful, wonderful, magical. It all started from a very very ill morning, because 4 of us got ill from the AC, as it always goes this way, and I'm not proud of it. We just got ready because we've been ready. We got some remedies and now we feel super cool. We started from a very hearty breakfast. We ordered some huge dishes for each and every of our member of our group, and then we wanted to go somewhere where we've never been before, and we had several options. So the first one was Ocean Park. It's a place where all the attractions are and all of the fun things you can do there. But the problem is today is Tuesday, and thanks God we made it to their website, and they had a notice that it's closed on Tuesdays. Oh my God! Just one metro station. It's pretty near to the hotel, but okay, this option missed.
Главное попасть в колею. Едем. И ничего. Вот встречка пошла. Выбрала обстановку.
It felt like absolutely a must to visit Lantau again to watch Buddha. Okay, we checked the website. From our experience, now we check everything, and again some part of this attraction was closed and we decided not to go there. Okay, we had one last option left and it's going to another part of this same Hong Kong island where we live, but to the another cute, absolutely wonderful, beautiful beach place with a lot of mountains and very lush plants. Go to jungle again. And this place, oh my God, what was the view? I just can't describe it. I couldn't believe I was there.
Это самый популярный пляж, написано.
I still can't believe that it's the same place, the same Hong Kong city. It combines skyscrapers, super pooper metro, and all of the tech electronic stuff. And at the same time they have beautiful surfing spots, beautiful beach line, coastline, a lot of water, a lot of jungle, and very countryside like places, and a lot of I don't know. I absolutely fell in love in this place, and it's officially my second most favorite place to be and enjoy. So I can describe it. I just attach a lot of videos from this place because I took many of them. So what we actually did there, we were swimming a lot. The water was pretty nice and warm, and the day started from raining, and I said we are going to the beach no matter what. When we reached that place, the rain stopped for some time, then it rained for about 5 minutes, and then it was just cloudy and very nice, and we went swimming just like crazy. Then we found a fabulous, I don't know, fabulous warm luxury with French music and Italian cuisine, and with just wonderful 5-star view on the South Chinese Sea, if it's called correctly, South Chinese Sea. Oh my god, what was that? Like a postcard.
Nastro azzurro. Serene.
Thank you. This place is called Shek O beach, and to reach this place you need to go up to the mountain again, and this route is so cinematic. If you take just a regular bus from the city to this village, Shek O village, you're gonna be just shocked and surprised how beautiful it is, how crazy it can be sometimes, especially take into consideration the fact that they drive on the left side, and we made it there in the front of the second floor of the bus, and it was crazy. My mom said, "Are we really going to the beach again, up to the mountain?" Okay. We climbed that mountain again and again during 20 minutes on 2-floor bus, and it felt amazing, and the view was magic, fairy tale, postcard. I still can't believe we've been there, and especially I can't believe that it's all in one place. It's just about an hour from our hotel, metro and bus, and you are there. Oh my god. What is that?
Bye.
Так-то вообще он прям до самого верха можно подняться, там с утра вообще.
Near this swimming place, we found another mountain where we can just gently climb on very steep stone stairs up to observation wild spot where you can see the surroundings. Ah, what was that?
Вообще он туда наверх, но не знаю, смотрите сами. Давай потом оттуда спуститься. Ничего не понимаю. Стоковая спичка. Стоковая? А? Стоковая? Бестолковая. На зоне видно что? Такие он все, крупицы черные.
Что-то такое летит. Бабочка. Кусает. Ого, какая сыва. Вообще жесть. И глаза чумовые.
Такие расщелины, горят расщелины, ходы такие.
Да. Там где-то водопадики были, да?
Не, водопадики вон на той горе.
А,
Самое главное это. Чтобы его тигр не встретил.
да там какие-то...
Вон автобус идет. Медленно едет.
Да, он пока... Видят, да?
Да, Маша, да.
Где они сидят? Вот они сидят. To come back because I have a lot to explore.
I did not plan the last evening, but I think it could not be even better. Thank God we didn't make it to Disneyland. It was very tough to book something or buy something online. We did not have an opportunity to visit Ocean Park. We didn't have an opportunity to visit Buddha. But this spot, I'm just so thankful I had this idea to go there. I had this idea to go to this Hong Kong city. I'm just thankful. I didn't expect it to go this way. I don't want to go home. I want to stay here longer. So yeah, at first bring our parents home, just maybe leave dirty clothes, take fresh ones and go back here again. I'm ready for that. Even if it's gonna take us 2 days to reach this place again. This is wonderful. It really feels like it's been several months spent here, because we did our best to spend each day like a whole week, explore something new every single day, try something new every single day, talk to people, immerse ourselves in atmosphere. And I personally did my best to just enjoy each and every moment. I can describe how beautiful it is. Not just to remember what it was like, but live it, live every second. And this is how you feel like your journey, your life, it gets longer and more interesting and just wonderful and beautiful. And sometimes it can come absolutely unexpected way, and you never know what you're gonna explore along the way, who you're gonna meet, how you're gonna feel, what you're gonna try, and who you come back home. Definitely not the person who came here. So I'll see you on the next adventures. I'm so thankful. I think it's gonna take me half a year to make this video happen. Bye. See ya. Mwah. Йогін!
Туалетные комнаты для пассажиров салона класса эконом расположены в средней и хвостовой частях самолета. Все туалетные комнаты открыты после выключения табло достигнут ремни. Благодарим за внимание. Ladies and gentlemen, during the flight will also have food, drinks. The lavatories for economic passengers are located in the middle in the parts of the aircraft.
Только так мы его увидели.
Food dialogue. The positive sign turns off. Thank you.